This modern Mediterranean-style dream home has it all. Nestled in the private and secure gated community of Grey Oaks, acres of adjacent natural preserve, this Marc Rutenberg home boasts many upgraded amenities and abundant space. Open floor plan chef's kitchen, multiple common areas, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, a 3-car garage, large bonus room, spectacular screened patio with private pool, heated spillover spa, and much more. Located in the desirable East Lake Corridor area of Tarpon Springs, this home sits in an A+ rated school system. It is conveniently located to grocery stores, restaurants, public parks and several golf courses, all within 5 minutes of the home. For lovers of the outdoors, you cannot beat this location. Nearby Starkey Wilderness Preserve and Honeymoon Island provide access to all that our beautiful Florida landscape has to offer, with miles of pristine beaches and scenic hiking trails. At home in this quiet community, you may feel a world away from the hustle and bustle of the city, but Tampa International Airport, Ybor City, downtown Tampa are all less than an hour away. As you step through the grand front entry, into the spacious formal living and dining rooms, you'll immediately notice the high-end features present throughout the 3,415 square feet. Home vaulted ceilings, newly installed custom window treatments, gorgeous crown molding. Large windows and glass-paned doors provide abundant natural light and views of the tranquil pool and preserve. Past the living and dining room, you'll find an open floor plan chef's kitchen, equipped with updated appliances and fixtures, as well as abundant hardwood cabinetry. The adjacent breakfast nook and family room provide a generous footprint with a luxurious wood-burning fireplace and oversized glass doors leading directly to the patio. This area is ideal for entertaining. Off the living room, you'll find the main suite, an enormous bedroom, bathroom, and walk-in closet. In addition to the main suite, there are 2 spacious bedrooms and a bath to one side of the home. The 4th bedroom with a private bath is situated to the back. Just down the hall lies the sizeable laundry room with built-in cabinetry, countertops and sink. The 2nd floor split-level bonus room is a stunning and architecturally unique space, ideal for your home office, studio, library, gym or playroom. The home is equipped with newly installed HVAC controller and dampers, a new, warranted HVAC furnace, reconfigured and upgraded Nest thermostats. Outside the home, you'll find abundant storage space in the attached 3-car garage. The patio area and pool are an oasis. Swimming, sunning and soaking in the heated spa can be enjoyed year-round, thanks to the newly screened enclosure, 1022, 1-year warranty. Fresh exterior paint, 1022, and a brand new roof, installed 822, 10-year warranty, offer curb appeal as well as peace of mind. The new sprinkler system.